This is Hwk11 and we're looking at question 6. We've got write down the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining to the points A and point B. Okay, so I'm going to do this in two ways. So the first way I'm going to do it is I'm going to just do it using the midpoint kind of formula or coordinates. So I'm going to add the x1 plus x2, divide it by 2, y1 plus y2, divide it by 2, and z1 plus z2, and I'll just divide it by 2. So just taking the mean of the coordinates. So let's just put these in. So minus 2 plus minus 8 all over 2, and I've got 3 plus minus 7 all over 2, and I've got minus 1 plus 1 all over 2. So here we could get the midpoint out, so that's going to be minus 10 divided by 2 giving me minus 5. I've got minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2, and here I've got 0 divided by 2, so that would give me 0. So that would be the question complete there, to start off. The alternative way that I could have done that, if I was thinking about it as being a kind of vectors type of question, what I could do is I could set up a ratio, okay, for the midpoint. And this would help with a different, not a midpoint, but maybe a line that's split into a different ratio. So what I've got is AM over MB is equal to a 1-to-1 relationship. So therefore what I would have is I've got AM, if I just cross multiply that, is equal to MB. From there what I can do is I can work out the, use the vectors. So M minus A, and what I've got is I've got B minus M to work that out, and from there gather the M's over to the left hand side, and that's going to be B plus A, or A plus B. And what I could do here is, because you may already know what the formula would be to work this one straight out, so I'll just put the A first, okay, plus B. So that's the alternative method of formula that we could use. You could have gone straight to that there from the question. Right, let's go and substitute our values in. So what we've got is, I've got minus 2, 3, minus 1, plus, and I've got minus 8, minus 7, and 1 there as well. So when I gather them together, what I've got is I've got a half of minus 10, minus 4, 0, when I add them all up. Just divide them by 2, and what that should give me is, for the midpoint, it would give me the same, minus 5, minus 2, 0 in component form, and then the coordinates of the midpoint would be minus 5, minus 2, 0. Let's write them in coordinate form. So for this one here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be a bit generous and I'm going to give 2 marks. I'll give 1 mark for setting this out, 1 mark for getting the coordinates. For in here, I'll give 1 mark for this formula here, and 1 mark for getting the coordinates. So this mark here just out of 2, depending on which way you approach it.